Welcome back to another P Adventures Tacoma video. If you're new to the channel, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to do it. Alright, since you guys are subscribed, we're gonna start the video. So today, we're gonna be replacing the battery on this key fob. So, let's do it. First thing you wanna do is find a little push button. You're gonna press it, pull the key out. Then we're going to use the key to actually slide in here and twist a little bit, and it will open. So this is the back piece, and there's the other piece. I'm going to take the battery out. So this is the battery. It's actually CR2032. There it is. And then at the gas station I bought these. So I read somewhere that if you touch the bottom of your battery, the battery doesn't last as long. So try not to do it. So I'll try it myself. So I guess don't touch this part right here. So I'm gonna take this part. So I just took the new battery and I just pushed it in. Then we're gonna take the ones with the button. And there's 2 buttons on top and the bottom button. So 2 buttons in the bottom. We'll place that in here. And then we'll take the back piece, put it in and click it back together. Put the key back in, see if it works. And we're good. So it was that simple, no tools required, and now we got a fresh battery. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.